Good morning. Happy Friday. It's Friday, so it's cleaning day. It's Friday. I worked today at 11 a.m. So it's currently 7:25. I need to mop the entire floor, sort the laundry, start the first load. I should get at least 2 loads of laundry done before I even get ready for work. So let's do this.